Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is import our media. We can do that by double-clicking here or hitting Command-I on a Mac or Control-I on a PC. So what we're going to do is make sure we navigate over here to our external hard drive. We're going to choose Time Arts and Kitten Countdown, and under this we'll have Media, and we're going to select all this. We can do that by clicking and dragging or hitting Command or Control-A, depending on if you're a PC or a Mac. Then hit Import. All of these are now brought in. So let's do our first edit. To do this, we're going to go over here and we're going to double click to bring it up to our source monitor. What we can do is just drag this down like it says to create a sequence. When we do that, you'll see that we now have over here what looks like a duplicate, but if we look, there's a slight difference. This has a little film strip and an audio icon, whereas this has a little sequence icon. So this is actually our sequence. The reason that they both look the same is because it's the only media it has here. We're going to change this so that it has a better name. By default, it has the name of the clip that you first put in there, but we're going to change this to Kitten Countdown. And you can now see up here it also says Kitten Countdown. To make it a little bit easier to see, we're going to zoom in. You can do that by hitting the plus button, and that'll just zoom in so we can see a little bit better. In the next section, we'll learn a little bit more about editing within the sequence window.